Hi, this is John West Coast Connects. We reached out and spoke with Frank on Friday, promised this free video, so here it is. I'm going to keep things really short and sweet. Just want to show you 3 tips that you guys can do to potentially increase your traffic online. So, with that, let me get started. So your site looks, really well put together in terms of like you have your phone numbers there, your logo is pretty big, you have your form submit here at the bottom. So there's a couple of different ways to convert. My one thing going through your site though is there's not a lot of content there, and content is anything I can highlight, whether it be pictures, text, and really you want a lot of text and content for a couple reasons. The first is so that you can be found for specific keywords, and you are being found for 4 of them, but none of them are really buyer intent keywords. A lot of them, pretty much all of them have to do with your name, which is great. You kind of want to get found for your name, but you really want to be found for those buyer intent keywords, right? Like if I'm a consumer and I'm looking for a roofing company in, say, Albuquerque, right? Roofing Companies Albuquerque, Roofers Albuquerque, Roofing Albuquerque is something that is buyer intent. More than likely, roofing contractors. Like if somebody's putting that in, they're looking to buy or looking to purchase something. The same thing with Roswell, right? Roswell Roofing Contractor, Roofing Companies Roswell. So there's a lot of various traffic. As you can see here, I found over 6,000 searches in Albuquerque and almost 1,000 searches in Roswell. So, that's a lot of volume. You're talking about 7,500 searches a month that you guys are missing out on. But if I wanted to rank for, say, roofing companies Albuquerque, right? I would have that as a heading. I would have that within my text. I would probably even save images as that keyword. So instead of this image being saved as protection with a finishing touch, it would be saved as roofing companies Albuquerque or Roswell roofing contractors, or whatever it may be. So having those keywords within your content, super important, allows you to get ranked faster and more efficiently. It also is one of the factors in which Google looks to determine what websites are to be ranked higher than others. And both quality and quantity of content is important. And if the reason why is, if Google kind of feels like if you have a lot of content, you're more likely to be an expert in your field, and also that when people search, they get the information they needed because you have a ton of content that relates to the niche. So really important to have a lot of content on your site, not just on your homepage, but throughout the site, really. My second tip would just be to continue to build and grow this Google business profile and really use every strategy available to you to pull in traffic. And what I mean by that is, when people search, say, roofing companies Albuquerque, right? And this could be any search. There's a lot of different ways to convert. You have your local Google guaranteed ads, which are fantastic for roofing companies, because you get charged for calls. And most of the time, if people are going to call you, that they're likely to convert. Those conversions are really important, and a lot of times with just regular Google ads, although they're usually effective, people don't always. A lot of times, people are just searching around. Whereas if somebody's going to pick up a phone and call you, they're more than likely going to convert. So they have a lot high conversion rate, and the same thing with the ads. If they're up there at the top, a lot of people who pick on the click on the first thing they see, you're going to be in front of their view. You're going to get those people. The same thing with these Google business profiles. They can pull up to 40% of the traffic too. So this particular keyword has 800 searches a month. You're looking at 360 going to these top 3. Again, another way to get traffic to your site without really um, having to do all that much. It's just another avenue. And the same thing with the ads. And or ranking organically too, right, is another. Some people go all the way down to the organics and find a company that works for them. And if you're showing up here, you're showing up in the ads, you're showing up in the Google Map Pack, you're showing up in the organics, you're just giving yourself more avenues and more ways to pull in traffic. So That would be my second tip. Last but not least, build up the strength of your site. And your site is what it looks like for a brand new site. Basically, there's no power here. It's not really pushing strength or getting strength from anything. And how you build a site up, how you build strength in a site, is by adding referring domains that send links back to your site. And really as many do follow links as possible. You want a mixture of no follow and do follow, but do follow is the ones that give you power. And just to show you what that looks like, this is right away. They're pretty big there in Albuquerque, and they have a 29 and a 9. Typically, you want a 1-to-1 ratio if you can. So this 29 is a good number. With roofing, you really want to be in the 20s, 30s, 40s, and like I said, a 1-to-1 ratio. So they're not quite at a 1-to-1 ratio, but they have 38 do follow links that are sending them power. They're ranking on almost 250 keywords and getting almost 550 uh, clicks a month. So, this is something that you can get to pretty quickly. I feel, it's just doing the right things and following those 3 steps that would definitely help you. So, I hope this has been helpful and I hope it's been informative. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, concerns, comments. We would love to get some feedback on this video. I also have a link to our Google Calendar. Myself or my business partner Jackie would love to get in touch with you at whatever time works for you. So, with that, have a great day and God bless.